Hello everyone. So our today's topic is Form W-4. So, have you ever wondered why two employees earning the same salary can take home different amounts in their paycheck? The answer often starts with Form W-4. The Form W-4 is one of the most important payroll forms in the United States. Every employee completes this form when starting a new job, and employers use it to determine how much federal tax should be withheld from each paycheck. A properly completed W-4 helps employees avoid unexpected tax bills, penalties, and even excessive tax withholding that reduces their take home pay throughout the year. So, Form W4 is a Form W4 is completed by an employee and given to the employer to determine how much federal tax should be withheld from each paycheck. The form is not sent to the IRS unless specifically requested. This form W4 should be submitted by the employee to the employer. Okay, why Form W4 is important? Employers use the information on Form W4 to calculate federal income tax withholding, payroll tax calculations, employee take home pay. A properly completed W4 form helps employees avoid owing a large tax bill at year end, overpaying taxes, and receiving an unnecessarily large refund. So, there are 3 to 4 steps. There are 4 steps to complete in the W4 form. So, we will start with step 1 and the boxes in step 1 also. So, in step 1, we have to enter personal information, or an employee has to enter personal information like full name, address, social security number, filing status, as you can see in the below screenshot as well. So you can find this W4 form online. You just have to write down Form W4 PDF version and you will get the PDF file. So in step 1, employee enters their full name, address, social security number, and filing status. Filing status option includes single or married filing separately. It generally results in higher withholding. Second option is married filing jointly. This is usually results in lower withholding. And the third one is head of household for qualifying unmarried individuals supporting a dependent. So these three status refers to if you are going to file the 1040, the individual tax form. At that time you have to mention whether you are single filer or jointly filing married. So at that time these terms you will get to know, but here you have to mention that as well. So accordingly your tax will be withheld from your paycheck. Now moving on to step 2, multiple jobs or spouse works. Complete these steps if employee has more than one job or employee is married and spouse also works. So option A, as you can see in the below screenshot, there are 3 options A, B, C. Option A, use the IRS tax withholding estimator. Option B, use the multiple jobs worksheet. Option C, check the box if there are only 2 jobs total with similar pay. This helps avoid under withholding. Now moving on to step 3, claim dependents. Employees can claim tax credits for qualifying dependents. Example for tax year 26, qualifying child under age 17, the amount is 2200 as mentioned in the screenshot as well. So if you have one child, it will be shown the total amount 2200, and two child 2200 multiplied by 2, 4400, and the other dependents $500. If income is above the set limit, the employee should use the IRS worksheets or tax withholding estimator or consult a tax professional instead of automatically entering the full 4400. Okay, moving on to the next step, step 4, other adjustments. This is optional. In the below screenshot you can see there are 3 options again, A, B, C. So option A, other income not from this job such as interest, dividend, rental income. Entering this amount can increase withholding. Now the B part, deductions, use if itemized deduction exceed the standard deduction. Example, mortgage interest, charitable contributions, state and local taxes. Option C, Extra withholding. Employee can request additional federal tax withholding for every paycheck. So exempt from withholding, who can claim exempt? To claim exempt for the current year, both of these conditions must be met. No federal income tax liability last year if the employee has received a full refund of all federal income tax withheld or earned no federal income tax. Second point is expects no federal income tax liability this year as well. If employee expects no federal income tax due for current year, so if both the criteria met at that time, employee can take this exempt from withholding section. And after that you will get the step 5 where you just have to, you are an as employee and you just have to sign the form. You just have to put the date when you are going to submit that to employer, and that's it, your W4 is completed. So to summarize, form W4 plays, to summarize this video, form W4 plays a critical role in determining the amount of federal income tax withheld from an employee's paycheck. By correctly completing each step of the form, employees can better align their withholding with their actual tax liability and avoid surprises when filing their tax return. Remember that employees should review and update their form W4 whenever there is a significant life change such as getting married, having a child, starting a second job, changing filing status, or experiencing major income changes. Keeping form W4 updated helps ensure more accurate tax withholding throughout the year. For payroll professionals, bookkeepers, and employers, understanding form W4 is essential for processing payroll correctly and maintaining compliance with IRS requirement. I hope this video helped you understand form W4 and its importance in the payroll process. If you found this explanation useful, please like this video, share it with others who are learning payroll and taxation, and subscribe to CPK Books and Accounts for more detailed tutorials on US payroll, bookkeeping, accounting, and tax forms. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep your payroll compliant. Thank you.